For more information and current price, I have included this product link in the description below. Next one in our list is Sunjoe MJ408E Corded Electric Lawn Mower. With a 20-inch path and 7-position manual height adjustment, you'll be able to make your lawn look just as you envisioned. The Sunjoe comes with a 2-year warranty and is the green solution for lawn grooming you've been searching for. No gasoline, oil, fumes or pull cords. And you won't have to take it to the shop for a new spark plug and tune up. It's ideal for small yards and medium-sized yards and will handle tough grass with its 12-amp motor. Of course, with this corded electric model, startup is immediate, just the push of a button. You'll be able to take care of all your lawn care tasks with little time out for maintenance. You get the power of a gas engine with the convenience of electricity. Of course, you have no pull cord, no gasoline and less noise, but you also get the benefit of a mower that will do the job but only weighs 52 pounds. It comes with a suitable 2-year warranty and 12-amp motor so you can use it with peace of mind. The 20-inch cut will allow you to cover lawns up to medium size without spending a whole day doing it.
I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.